So, I'm getting myself ready for a little journey across Wales. So who are FPV Wings Over Wales? They're a bunch of lads who obviously started off flying drones, etc. but found a passion for flying wings, flying FPV wings, and have since gone into spec racing wings. Flying fast, low proximity, takes FPV to another level, and I fully understand where they get their passion. It is a really nice part of the country. If you're ever in Wales, come and visit South Wales. You won't go far wrong. There's lots of things to see. Hello ladies. So I'm going to meet them on some remote mountain top, and we're going to have a little fly in this little gorge. I just had to grab the camera to show you what I'm looking at. This is phenomenal. And I think I've arrived. Flag, 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 chimney, flag up there somewhere, just about to see it. Cross the ridge, drop down, flag, drop down, around the flag, around that flag, around the chimney, back up the mountain. What's that thing, Matt?
That is a stealth spec from Stealth Wings. Stealth company.
Stealth spec.
That one. That's the right spec.
Oh, right spec.
That's the stealth spec one. That's an old Flying Wings one. And then that one on the floor is a right wing hardcore 44.
And how often do you come up here?
This bit, not very often, maybe once every few months. But we fly up the top all the time, every weekend.
It's amazing, fair play. What is it?
It's a Claymore. E-Wings Claymore. Yeah.
So what material is that? That is foam, is it? It looks kind of shiny.
Yeah, it's foam. It's actually hydro-dipped with a clear flame, like a black flame, and then laminated. But I do 3D designs for E-Wings.
Right, I see.
Got the nose further forward, so I did this 3D printed nose that kind of wrapped around the sidewalls.
What we dreamt about years ago.
Paint it bright orange. Give yourself a chance.
I knew that would be a fun one. This is heavy to try and get.
So this is the landing strip.
Yeah, no, this is it. Yeah. Flag, look. Don't go past the flag.
Oh,
How's it going?
Oh, this is fantastic run down by the trees. I haven't dropped you low 80 cents at all yet, haven't I?
Which one's yours?
On the bottom flag now. Oh, somebody just I'm coming up.
Hey, blue tips I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
A little heavy, but I have landed.
that was more an arrival.
Yeah, that was a unscheduled landing.
That's the landing strip. Is it okay?
Yeah, fine. Just yet again, cameraman.
Or a valley. And there's a landing. Not a landing. You like animals are landing? Like wild savage animals coming in. Right, action, go for it.
Swan dive.
Oh, don't fall forward. That is worth the time.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Oh dear. What wing is that? Is that a drac?
Not a vortical.
So is it by
E-wings.
right wing or
E-wings.
E-wings again?
Greg from up north.
So that's E-wing?
They all of these up here are E-wings.
That's not though, it's a spec, isn't it?
Yeah, that's an E-wing spec.
Right.
It's twin.
That is amazing.
Behind
It
you
looks
then-
nice.
Behind you then is the little vortical.
Is that foam cut then as well?
Yeah, it's just thingy there. And behind you is the little twin.
Right, which was the one that was screaming around, high pitched? That thing. Like, he was running around a 6S motor.
Everything is successful always, apart from the
Which was the really speed one?
Which was the one that was screaming really high pitched?
The Vortina.
That thing. And just went super fast.
Yeah, 3,100 kV motors. That's an S800.
So that's the S800 you can buy in Banggood with some sort of hydro dip or
Yeah.
nice patterning
Hydro dip and then laminate.
and some 3D
Some
parts.
vinyl, some 3D
Looks
parts.
absolutely nothing like the original.
And a sneaky radio cam.
And a rear view cam in the back.
So that made me order
So
that
you know
one.
the Claymore, is that available as is?
It's not available like that. No, it's available with a single motor, but I will share all the prints if people want to build them. It's laminated with a carbon vinyl.
Yeah, the tape, but it looks really nice.
Yeah.
And the push rods are quite substantial.
Yeah. I thought they look cool. It's the honest answer. So,
And of course,
but it's tube rather than rods, so it's not actually that heavy.
a rear view camera. Tree in a well. And this is the valley that we've been flying around. It's weird, isn't it? A chimney in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
But it's got to be an air vent, hasn't it? The only downside of any course is having to pack it away.
Oh yeah.
Oh. So there's a fair bit of walking to collect all the, the gates. So a lovely valley, but if you crash, you were walking. It was fabulous. So hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching Team Woolly Sheep Review. Stay tuned. Catch you soon. Stay safe. Bye. The sat nav has taken me back a different route, so I've got to see a whole new part of the common and the mountain range, and absolutely fabulous. Beautiful, lovely flying sites, or lovely places to fly, I should say.